All right, so now we've got everything set up. Got the unit going here good. You've plugged everything in over here. You pressed this top button right here so that you know it's going to work and the electricity is going to get to it. You got it connected here. You got your sleeve in properly. Everything's ready to go. All right, you checked out your filters and your plugs. You understand it all. So now to start it off, the first thing you have to do, you want to pull these open. And you have to do it manually. If you look here, it says manual. So I pull them open. Now, if I'm going to use manual controls, all I have to do is come over here and hit power. And then I can go to mode, which would be AC, fan, or like dehumidify. Fan speed, and then I can go down temperature, I can go up temperature. These here you can read about inside of the booklet itself. I don't really use that because this is more something for me as a safety measure in case my AC goes out. All right, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to press this power button. It's going to turn it on. Bam. And you'll notice we're in what? We're at 73 degrees Fahrenheit, right? So if I wanted to change it to Celsius, I would come here and click there. And it should change it to 23. And if you look, yes, now it's 23 Celsius. So 73 Fahrenheit is 23 Celsius. You follow me? So if I press this again, watch, it'll go back to Fahrenheit. Now we're back to 73. So that's how that works. Over here is your mode. If I click the mode, watch, it changes it, right? Oh, it's not changing it on here, is it? Oh, you can only change it here, I guess. So I could change the mode here by pressing this. And now I'm a dehumidified just fan. Now I'm just fan, and I can change the speed on the fan like that, right? But then I want to go back to mode, and I want to go ahead and get it to cold. Now I've got it at 73, right? And you can see that snowflake. That snowflake is also right there. So you can do it here too. I can press this, it goes up. I can press this, it goes down. I screwed up on the fan. The fan's here and the dehumidifier's here on this. And then here's the two different fan speeds. And then the nighttime and then timer. But yeah, I don't really use those. Like I said, I don't use these. You might, if you want to use those, you might want to look at the instructions. But bam, that's it right there. That's how you do it. And it's kicking out some cold air, I gotta say. So if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.